channel. Back from that mini adventure as you saw in the last two videos, where basically it's just like I needed to clear my head, so just decided to pack one of the bikes up and just disappear, go for a ride. Was no particular destination, it was just kind of made up as I went along really. It was get to the end of a T-junction, turn left or turn right, and well, you saw where we ended up. So welcome back. Just a quick video today, quite an exciting video today. I have a delivery turned up yesterday. Basically, people who've been following me, I've been on YouTube now probably a couple of years. I basically started off filming on a mobile phone. In fact, this mobile phone. So the quality wasn't that good, the volume was a bit bad. What I've been filming on recently is obviously the camera I'm using, but I also have another one, is basically a GoPro. These are the Chinese SJ4000, which obviously I'm filming on one, and here's the other one which I use on my helmets. So I've been using them, but again, the microphone is, as you can see there, they do pick up a lot of static when I'm in the garage, so I've been saving as much as I can, and I've managed to afford some new equipment. Right, so let's see what we've got. So I'm quite excited about this. I haven't managed to afford, obviously, well, not all of it is brand new equipment, because it is quite expensive, and obviously, yeah, I'm basically self-funded, so I'm running on minimal, but well, here we go. So we have voice recorder, with the plug-in microphone, so hopefully that should cure my my recording via audio problems. Right, again, this is going to be a bit tricky with one hand. So there we go. It's a Canon SX500 IS, full video capability, zoom lens, 16 megapixel. I'll leave a link in the description below of where you can get these. So, you know, I'm quite excited about this. I say this took some saving, but hopefully this should hopefully cure my video and audio problems. So, nice camera bag to go with it. Let's just tip this out. So it comes with a charger, obviously the lead, picked up a couple of extra batteries. There is one actually included inside the case. There we go. So 3 batteries. Nice carrying strap as well. And nice full-size tripod as well. Let's just get it off to one side. that up quickly. Nice thing is as well, this obviously works on a spirit level bubble, so you know exactly when it's level. These all extend out, so it will stand about 4 feet, maybe 4.5 feet high, which would be good for me. So it means I can obviously set it up in the garage instead of obviously, you know, trying to find a place to actually put my GoPro or mount it on the table or something. So obviously that will. So there we go. Really excited about learning how to use this. Obviously it's quite an extensive manual to go with it. It's a couple of 100 pages, so no, really excited. And obviously voice recorder as well. Again, this was picked up off eBay. I couldn't afford a new one, so I picked up a second-hand one, barely used. Done a couple of tests on that already, and that's really quite good. So I'll also use that when I'm on the bike as well, with the microphone system hooked up inside my helmet. But obviously this, yeah, battery operated. I can just stick this in my pocket, mount the mic to my clothing, and I've got proper audio and now proper video. So well excited about that. Obviously I thought it was a good idea to obviously pick up a couple of extra battery packs, because there was only one that came, the actual charger, and one battery pack came with it, so I picked up an extra two. But so as soon as I've learnt how to use it, I shall be hopefully shooting all my new videos on this. So as I say, just a quick video today, just to show you my my new equipment. Anybody has used one of these, obviously, yeah, comments below. It's quite a new thing for me. I'm being used to sort of the GoPros, etc. But hopefully this should move my channel forward a bit more and a bit better quality for the viewers. So hope you enjoyed that. Any questions, as I say, in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time. Cheers. Bye.